Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be cleaning up my room, changing my sheets, cleaning and organizing my bathroom. The thing I'm most excited about is the organization of my bathroom. So right here, I'm taking the old sheets off my bed, I'm going to wash them, and I'm putting fresh, clean sheets on them. I absolutely love, it's one of the simple pleasures that I love, is having fresh sheets. That first night that you get in your bed with fresh sheets, just it feels so good. I don't know, we wash our sheets weekly, but that first day that they're clean, I love it. It feels so cozy and I love it. I want to work on decorating my room a little bit. We moved into this house a little over a year ago, and there's still some closets, storage rooms, even bedrooms that I don't quite have organized and decorated how I want right now, but that comes with time, and for now I'm just trying to keep a steady routine of cleaning. And you'll see when we go into my bathroom, it's been a while since it's been cleaned and organized real well. So I'm a little embarrassed, but I also want to show that it's real life. I've got 4 kids, they're in school, they have extracurricular activities I take them to, and we have church, and it's just hard to always stay on top of things. But I notice as I organize, things become easier. Okay, so I'm just clearing off my nightstand right here. And here's the view of the bed area. And then we're gonna go to the bathroom. And seriously, it's so bad. So I bought these gloves, cleaning gloves, at the dollar store, and they fit so well. They had all different sizes, small, medium, and large. And I was actually very surprised how well they fit me. Right now, I'm just going through and trying to clear off the surfaces before I clean. And seriously, it's been a while since I cleaned my bathroom. As you can see, I've got stuff all over the floor. The kids use my bathroom. We've got 4 bathrooms, but for some reason they just love to use mine. And so I've got a lot of the kids' stuff on the floor. And today is the day that I decided to just tackle it because I am tired of it being not organized and messy, dirty. And I would typically wipe the mirror first, but the counter is so bad that I didn't want to lean into it trying to wipe the mirror and get my shirt all dirty. So that's why I sprayed the mirror and then didn't wipe it yet. I wiped the counter. Kind of opposite of how I usually do it, but it really was so bad. So now I'm focusing on the mirror. And I love to use a microfiber cloth with a lot of my cleaning. And that's another thing. I got a bunch of microfiber cloths at the dollar store. And I wondered how well they would work, because they were only $1. But I love them. They work so well. So this yellow thing is a thing to help unclog our sinks. My sink and my husband's sink on the other side were just kind of running a little bit slow. The water would kind of settle in the basin of the sink. It took kind of a long time to drain. So I'm trying to pull up any kind of hair or anything I can. And I bought this yellow thing. I forget what it's called. I think it's called a zipper at either Lowe's or Home Depot. and it works so well. So I didn't really pull anything out. There wasn't much hair or anything, but I think I loosened whatever it was because now it's working perfectly. Wait till I do my bathtub. I hope I have good footage of that. It's actually disgusting because I did my tub not too long ago, but I think with having 3 girls, or I have 2 girls and myself, we bathe in the tub a lot. The hair just kind of gets stuck, but kind of gross, but so happy I took care of it. I'm going over the mirror again because it was so bad. Now I'm using Target's Method Cleaner. It's the granite cleaner. I love it so much. And after I do the counter, I'm gonna wipe the cabinets. And it's also Target's Method Cleaner. It's the almond flavor of wood cleaner. And I love that one too. So I totally love watching other people's cleaning and organizing videos. I don't know what it is, but there's something so motivating about watching someone clean and organize. And I hope you guys feel that way about my videos as well. And I'm gonna try to be more consistent about uploading. My goal is at first once a week, and I want to work up to 2 or 3 times a week. But I also have 2 other channels I'm working on, and I'm just trying to find the schedule that works the best for me. But I absolutely love making YouTube videos. I love getting comments from you all, and it's fun. So now I'm just picking everything up off the floor. I have a bunch of towels and washcloths right here that I'm putting in the basket. Lots of garbage I'm throwing away. And then once I have everything picked up, I'm going to take the stuff out of my drawers and organize them. I love this vacuum. I'll have it linked in the description of this video. I have an Amazon store, and you can click on the link and purchase this. I bought mine at Costco, but I have an Amazon link for this vacuum. It's not Costco link. So now I'm just, these white organizers I absolutely love. I bought them at the dollar store, and I think I bought about 9 of them, and I used all of them this day in my bathroom. And I actually did this video a couple of weeks ago, I think 2 weeks ago from today, and I am happy to say my bathroom is still organized. I'm just now adding my voice to this video, but I love these organizers. It's helped me stay so organized, and it's been 2 weeks now and everything still looks perfect. So I don't know if you saw, I had a container that had like my eye makeup in it, and then a container that had face makeup, and another one that had lotion for my face, and then this one in here I'm just wiping the drawers out. There's a little bit of hair and dust. So these organizers are a little more random in the bottom drawer here. it's not makeup, it's other things. But right here, I'm putting all of my bar of soaps in this blue organizer. And this blue organizer is what I had everything in. But instead of putting it all in this container, seriously, I should have recorded myself get ready when I would pull my stuff out of this blue container, because I had all of my makeup in here. I had my hair dryer, hair straightener, hair curler, brushes. It was just a mess to find what I needed, and then it was a mess to put it all back. It was just, it's been like that for about a year. So seriously, when I say I'm so excited about these organizers, they seriously have changed my life. Getting ready in the morning is so much easier, and there's no headache involved. I can find everything I need, and then when I'm done, I put everything back, and it's so quick. So now in this blue organizer is my soap, and then I have another blue organizer that I am putting my hair dryer, hair straightener, and curling iron and stuff like that. So works so much better. So you see that right here. Seriously, so life-changing when you have your space organized in a way that works for you. It makes getting ready, or whatever your space is, if it's the laundry room, it makes doing your laundry so much quicker and more effective and more, it just, I'm lost of words, but there's a lot of stress involved when you feel like you can't find what you need. And when you can find what you need, it's just, things run smoother. There's a lot less stress. So this top drawer, my husband's so sweet. This is his drawer, and I get the other two at the bottom. And I basically have the big cabinets on each side as well. But he really doesn't have very many things, so he's happy just to have this one drawer. So he has 3 organizers in here as well. And I'm just wiping everything down and just placing them in a way that feels organized. And I told him he could rearrange things however he wants, of course, but he really loves how I did this. I want to find a smaller mirror for him because this one's kind of big. It doesn't quite fit in the container. So here's the after. I wish I did a better before, but it stayed this way, and it's been 2 weeks now. So here's my deodorant and face lotions, and then you can see my face makeup, and then my eye makeup. And then down here is kind of random, but cotton balls and Band-Aids in the one, 2 extra toothbrushes, and now I forgot. And then the other one had hairbrushes. And then under here you see my blue containers. So that one's white. I have nail polish and Q-tips in this one. But yeah, the main blue container there is what I put everything in, so it feels so much better.